This is Ron with Comics Price Guide, and in this video I'm going to go over UPC codes or barcodes. Those are interchangeable terms, and the direct editions. So hopefully this helps clarify some things for you if you have questions about these issues. So I am currently on Amazing Spider-Man issue 157. So this is the first barcode. It happens in June of 1976 for this title. So it varies with other titles, but this one, it's June of 1976. So there is not a direct version at this time. You only have the UPC code versions. And then later on, they'll add the direct edition in. But in 1976, it's only this one. So the other weird thing is, here's the UPC code, or it's also here. So this exact number is repeated every 12 issues. They use the same UPC code. So really the only thing changing is the last two digits. So the October issue is 10 at the end. Or if you go to September of 1977, it's the same number. September of 1978, it's the same number. So if you're using our free app, which I highly recommend using, you'll have 10 or 11 issues that get pulled up. And that's the reason why, is because Marvel used the exact same UPC code for all of them. So you'll have to pick it. And then let's go back to Amazing Spider-Man. And then we're going to go into issue number 192. 192 is the first edition of Amazing Spider-Man that has a direct version. So when they first started, they had just these blank squares, and it looks kind of weird, but that was the first direct edition in Amazing Spider-Man. Then they went to the diagonal line across it. It almost seems like it should be discounted or something. I don't know why they did that. And then finally in issue 202, which was in March of 1980, they started putting the little pictures in there. So that's much more common. Alright, so let's look at a more modern book, in case you're a modern collector. Amazing Spider-Man 24, we're going to go into series 6, volume 6. Alright, so the UPC code has been extended from 13 digits to 17 digits. Most people are most concerned with the last 5 digits in the UPC code. The first 3 tell you what issue number it is. So this is issue number 24. The next one tells you the cover number. And the last one gives you if it's a second or third printing or first printing. So this is a first printing. This is issue number 24, first cover, first printing. And we can check that out by looking at the B version, 24B. And it is 02421. Let's look at the C cover, 02431. And that keeps going. Exclusives also follow the same kinds of things. So this is 02451. Some of them do not follow the numbering, like the Secret Carnage variant. That is the exact same number as the first one. And Walmart issues have a different UPC code as well. Now we are still adding in UPC codes. As you might imagine, to add UPC codes in hundreds of thousands of books takes time. So we are still adding them in. So if you are using our app and nothing comes up, that might be the reason why. But we actually have someone whose sole job is to add UPC codes. So it is a huge job. So hopefully you find this helpful and helps your understanding. And then when you go to a comic shop and look and wonder if it's a second printing, you can easily know. Alright, have a good day.